Hi guys, today I will show you how to install Kali Linux on a VirtualBox machine. First click New, then type Kali Linux and select other Linux 64-bit because my version of Kali Linux is 64-bit. Then click Next, assign RAM memory to your system. I will assign 2 gigabytes. Click Next, create a virtual hard disk, create. Click Next, dynamically allocate it, click Next, assign the amount of storage of your hard disk. I will assign 25 gigabytes, click Create and click Start. Now select your ISO file of Kali Linux, click Open, click Start. Now if you want to install, click on graphical install. Okay, now select your language, click Continue, select your country, click Continue and key map. Now you can choose a host name. I will leave as Kali, click Continue. Domain name I will leave as blank, click Continue. Password, you need to enter the password, whatever you want, click Continue. Time zone, click Continue. Now click on Manual, click on New on your hard disk, click Yes, Continue. Now we have free space, double click, create new partition. I will use 23 gigabytes and click Continue. Select primary, beginning and bootable flag on. Okay, done. And we will create some swap space. Create new partition. Okay, logical, use as swap area. Okay, and that's it. Finish partitioning, click Yes and continue. Now we need to wait for Kali Linux to install. Okay, Kali Linux is finished installation. I will click No, click Continue. Now it will install bootloader. And click Yes. So you want to install bootloader to this machine. Click Continue. And select your hard disk. Click Continue. Okay. Now we need to eject our ISO file. Okay, it's removed. So continue and finishing installation. Okay, Kali Linux will restart the machine, and this is the bootloader. Now click on Kali Linux. Now wait for Kali Linux to start the system. Enter your username, it will be root, and type your password. And this is it, fully functional Kali Linux on VirtualBox machine. So this is how to install Kali Linux. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos.